We have not opened this up yet, so let's get to it. Hard case. Here we go. Oh my gosh. All right, this is probably gonna be the good one. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, guys, look down here. Just more big, huge, massive tools. 3, 2, 1. $460. We are the new owners of whatever's in this unit. Let's go see what's in there. All right, guys, we made it to the storage unit. I just opened it up, and I can tell you right now that I think that we just straight up stole this one. This is a really good unit. The pictures did not do it justice, and we're gonna capitalize on it. I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right off of the bat, I'm gonna say that in the pictures you could not see this stuff very well. Couldn't even see that these saddlebags were in here. I'm just kind of soaking it all in at the moment, but as I look over here, I'm looking at the toolbox right here. It looks like there's tools in it from what I can see. The guitar case is definitely a guitar, and it's definitely a nice case. Nice case. This box right here, you couldn't really tell from the pictures, but it's an actual decent little toolbox right here, but we couldn't tell that. We couldn't see this big blue box from the pictures. All these are great signs, guys, that we snagged one at a great price, and I'm just excited to start getting into it. We got a new ladder here that we couldn't see from the pictures. We got more tools and sawhorses back here, right here, that you couldn't see from the pictures. So guys, we hit big on this one. I can tell you right now, we hit big. First load coming out is all trash, so let's get the trash out of this place. Okay guys, first up, out of the first couple of boxes, we were able to pull some decent cowboy boots. These are Ariats. Haven't ran, these are actually Durangos. These are Ariats. And he had some Red Wings here too, but they're kind of rough. We're gonna sell those at the flea market. Just these two pair of boots right here, probably over $100 for sure on eBay. So right off the bat, not bad, not bad. We're gonna step into here. We were able to kind of clean out this area. We got to the toolboxes. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what's in here. We have not opened this up yet, so let's get to it. So this is what we're hoping for, guys. We're hoping for this right here. The tools are in here. That's a really good sign. Just to see that they're in here and decently organized like this. This is nice. Files do really good for us at the flea market. Really good for us. Like the bigger files, you're talking $5 a file. Like this little handful is probably $10 in files, easy. Decent tools. We're not mad at that. We're not mad at that. The box is a huge hit too. You couldn't see this box in the pictures. In here, we're gonna do really well on this unit. All great flea market stuff. These punches can bring good money as well. Every drawer is full. I'm pretty excited about that. Usually they're all empty. I'm happy about this one for sure. Let's see what's in this Pringles. It's like a, I don't know. Boom, that's a big hit right there. Let's go ahead and swing over here. Let's see what's in this one. I think that this one sits on this, but hard to tell. Guys, we smashed. We're gonna do so well on this unit. Oh, there's a huge, guys, it's stuffed. It's stuffed full. Just that thing alone, I bet you. Throw the camera down on that. We'll throw the comps on eBay for this thing alone right here. I bet you that's pretty good. So, just the box alone, pretty valuable, really. Just the box. All these sledges, $5 to $10 each. Probably 20 bucks for that one. Another $10 there. And another empty box. Woo! I think that we'll pack all this stuff back in here. We'll get to these other boxes and we'll turn you guys back on. What? Is it in there?
Yeah, it's a 500 gigabyte one too.
Ooh, nice. That looks way bigger than what I remember him being.
Yeah, all the cords in there.
Is it bigger because it's the 500 gig?
Yeah. It's actually smaller than the one. This is like, I bought one a long time ago. Mine was fatter.
I guess I'm used to looking at the
small ones.
Series.
It's in.
Yes. Nice. Dude, that's money. Throw the comps up for that one real quick.
Pretty good.
Yep.
Let's see what this is.
Yeah.
Allen wrench set.
Everything but the controllers, basically. Okay. We got two guitars here. You guys want to see what guitars these are? Let's do this one because it's easier to do with one hand. Hard case. Here we go. It's a Yamaha. It's the APX 500. We'll throw comps up for that right now. With this nice hard case, throw another 50 bucks on top of that probably. That's a nice guitar. We've done good with guitars lately. Okay. Now, this one is a Fender. It says on this other side here. Fender. Huh. It's a First Act. This isn't even a Fender guitar. So this is a super cheap guitar. Not really worth much. So eBay, or I mean flea market for that one. What else do we have? Okay, we have this toolbox we want to show you guys too. We had to pick it up off of this and put it on the ground, and it's full, so let's show it to you. Okay, we'll piece that together. All right, onto the red box here. Let's open it up. Nice. Heavy duty shears, or pipe cutter possibly. This is nice. So it's a pipe bender of some kind. Oh yeah. Nice. Looks like a decent set there. Boy, these boxes have been awesome so far. Everything you would want. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pieces, 15, 16 pieces. Oh man. These have been awesome. laser reader. Tells you how far. Oh, it tells you temperature. Hey, this thing reads temperature. See what's in that guy. This is a Smithwick, possibly. That's nice lure. That's basically all that's in here. Okay, we're getting to this blue box. Oh yeah, nothing like an ugly stick. Yeah. Ain't nothing like an ugly stick. Let me see it.
Yeah, it's nice, bro. First when I saw it, I was like, that's a Shakespeare, a Zebco Palm.
Some things you got to put back in the pickup, you know what I mean? Or in the SUV. Can't sell everything. LJ found a GoPro case.
Is that what that is? Or
So,
I don't know. Yeah.
A little off-brand one. Ooh. I'll set all those to the side in case we find a gun case. Foreign currency. Italiana.
This is Ryobi.
That's cool. I thought it was like a tape measure. What's in here? Wood burner. Another epic drawer. Man, dude. We still got to go through this box right here, this blue one. Some of these blades can go for good money, man, if they're like something to do with the tips. But I've sold some for like $50 a blade used before. This is a volt reader to see how many volts your battery's kicking out. Ooh, we got some air tools here.
Okay.
Arrow framing gun and a cobalt little air wrench. Got another one in there. A foot switch, which comes in handy for air tools. Looks like 2 Dremels in here. Guys, this unit was a score. Alright, this is probably going to be the good one right here. Got me?
Yep.
Here we go. 1, 2. Whoa. This guy had big stuff. Big stuff. Oh, this is for climbing. This piece right here alone probably goes for over $100. This is climbing gear. This is big money stuff. He was a lineman. He was a lineman. Yep. That explains the big spud wrench. And look at all of the big spuds. Oh my gosh. I try not to get too excited, but okay, these are made by Job Smart. Not sure exactly what those are worth. Another Job Smart. This is a 24-inch big boy. Hard to put prices on these right now as I'm pulling them out. It's just kind of overwhelming for me at the moment, but as you guys can see, there's some money in here. I'm seeing money, 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 Money. These spuds, these are the ones that I was telling LJ that I can get like $25-$30 for each online. Like they sell pretty quick. Here's another one. If they've got this pointed end on them, linemen use these for whatever reason, I don't know, but they put leashes on here and they like have carabiners on their stuff when they're climbing those huge towers. Another spud. Another spud. Another one. The ones that have the wrenches, I think, are a little more desirable. Klein tools. Klein tools are the ones that I was selling before, so I know this is a good brand. That's probably $15-$20 probably at the flea. Leftover set there. Rivet set. Okay, if it comes in its own case, this is probably a torque wrench. Yep. And it's made by Pittsburgh, so we'll have to look this one up on eBay. This is probably an eBay item. Just a couple of levels in there. Oh, guys, look down here. Just more big, huge, massive tools. All of these big things, these sell good on eBay. I mean, it's not very often that I don't want to overwhelm you with tools, right? Because tools are awesome. But there's a lot of tools in here. Here's another. Seems to work. That's money. And the almighty tell. We saw those, so we thought there was going to be some big tools in here. And we were right. Holy crap. Step over here, LJ. Get a shot of all that. We found some tools. Guys. Epic. Epic. I got to do some research on some of this stuff, but I'm blown away. There you go.